Here's an example of our circular staircases and circular walkways. We make these round patio stones to create steps and stairs and walkways themselves. They're great for changing elevations. You just put two of them on top of each other. Here's the actual mold. It's an old piece of pipe that we cut off the end. It's perfectly round, so it's great to make patio stones. They cost about $6 to make because we add a lot of rebar in them and a lot of cement, a rich mix. Here we show the surface, so we tamp in a nice gravel, river gravel into the wet cement to make it non-slippery and very usable. Here's the staircase in action. You can see we stack two stairs on top of each other, and we call one of them a shadow stone. So the stone underneath is the same stone, but it just creates this black shadow and it looks fantastic. The nice thing about these stones is they actually blend in really well with the landscape and sort of disappear, which is what you want. You want them to really disappear. Putting these round staircases against round planters and round retaining walls is the best way to go because it's a natural fit, round to round. The big stones that are placed up against the edge of the retaining walls get filled in with all kinds of plants that do well in crevices, like the rock garden plants, alpine plants. For $6, we make a stone. So a staircase like this is probably like $140 to make, which is a fantastic price. And it gets you very, very, very comfortable to the bottom. The use of the staircase is really, really comfortable. So that makes it very, very usable and very friendly for you to use to go up and down.